Not my setup, I let it go. Slow money wins, that's all I know. Oh, highly favored, highly favored. God first, chart second, highly favored, highly favored, highly favored. I wait on purpose, highly favored, highly favored, highly favored. Blessings in the process, highly favored. Asia Princess path, I read it slow. Futures breathe, then drift and flow. No rush, no fear, just clean routine. Zones get tagged and I stay unseen. If the candle lies, I don't.
What's up, Savage?
What's going on, man?
Oh my God, the latency has been fixed, bro.
Yes, it's down to like 3 seconds.
If that.
Yeah.
If that, come on.
Love it. This is my computer. I'll take the blame on that.
Yeah. All right, I got your charts up. Let me, because I forgot to put my chart. Audio trading app, whatever that is.
Well, I got a brand new chart because I just hooked myself up with a new computer with some of my winnings. So I had to re-download my programs.
Let's go. So wait, you got a new computer out of pay? Oh wait, let me turn on my camera. So you got a new computer out of payouts?
Yeah, pay myself.
Come on. That's how you do it.
So reinvest back into it and let it come. So
let's go. Reinvesting back into the business. Let me stream OBS over here so you can see. Now, I do want to test one thing. Yeah. And what's going on to everybody that's here? Welcome. What's up, team? What up, Blue? Don't forget to like the stream and interact in the chat, man, so that way we can get up in the algorithm. But I know that you've been playing around with some songs and wanted to see if it could come on. I'm gonna mute my audio that I normally pump into the stream, and I want to see if you can play one of the tracks to see if it comes through.
All right, let's see if this one hits. Let me know if that rolls. It's playing.
I don't hear anything.
I got one more option here.
One more option.
Let me try. So let's do this.
Why didn't I see my... That's the camera.
If there's any feedback, just let me know and I'll kill it quick. But let's see. Next.
There goes my charts. Perfect.
All right, let's try this here one more time.
Let's see, nah, nothing yet. But I know you gave me some songs. Let me see if I can, because listen, Savage has been working. He's created some AI songs for us.
Hit that one. It's a theme.
Right, this is download that. Let me download. Is it highly favored or the one trade anthem?
Yeah.
And then the red candles, green candles. All right. So let's see. How did you do today? What a pump job in the market, right? It filled the gap and took off.
I got a little degen-ish. I had a level sitting out, and I was talking to you, and I said 61's short, and I threw 3 minis on, and smacked this trade right here down to this 912.
Let's go.
So that was
he said I got a little degen-ish.
yeah. Saw the level. My mouse ain't working here. 3,100 bucks from level to level.
Nice.
With 3 minis.
Yeah, I saw. You know what concerns me though? I was looking at some of my other charts, and I don't know. I know you're using Quant Tower right now, and I don't know if Quant Tower does. Quant Tower show you gaps?
It does.
Okay, so do me a favor, bring up YM. That's a concern to me because now I'm thinking that the market still has to retrace. And I'm just watching this right now, guys, because this is having a little movement up to the upside.
This is on. So right now I have top steps. For anything on through Project X on here. So I don't know if it's gonna make a huge difference.
Let me bring up YM on my other screen. Yeah, see, I see a gap from yesterday's opening. And right now there's a little bit of movement. I'm thinking of longing this and but I need a retracement back to 942. What is this? Yeah, it's like 942.50. I'm gonna put this.
Yeah, I'm still mapping out. I'm trying to get my levels on Quant Tower. My trading view chart's still set up right.
So right now, I'm on the, let me switch over to the 5-minute because I will need, let me show my chart here. I would like to, we missed it here at the 8 o'clock open. But if I get a dip down, whoa, oh, right back down to like 42.50, 42.25 area. I'm gonna take that for the long just because we're looking bullish. Look at this 1 hour, try to find the next zone. And I can take that up to like, I don't know, 108, oh, here we go. We're about to get tagged in quickly. Let's see if it holds VWAP, then it won't pick me up, but I'm looking for a quick wick down. That's what I'm looking for right now. I love that the latency is gone. Oh, it's holding VWAP right now. We got VWAP on 15-minute, the 30-minute, and the 1 hour. All of the VWAPs are sitting right here in this area. Right here. So, let me see how quickly this could move. Yeah, see. I don't know why it draws it like that. But see, we got the 1 hour VWAP, we got the 30-minute VWAP, the 15-minute VWAP. All of the VWAPs are sitting right in the same zone. But I would love to just get a nice little wick down. If anybody took that VWAP test, you're sitting in the profits right now, and I know some of you already did. I already know somebody did.
Wasn't me.
It wasn't me. See if we get that push down. What's up, JD?
Send it to
Send
blow it
it
up.
to blow it up. The bias today, team, I'm looking long. We see that Oracle had a nice push. Apple had a nice push. Actually, all of the tech stocks, right? They had a nice push after being slammed down for the last week and a half. So I think we're going back into rotation. What's tomorrow? Earnings. earnings. Let me see what's on the docket for tomorrow. Oh man, I missed that. AMD reports tomorrow. SpaceX reports tomorrow.
Already? Wow.
Yeah. What can you report if you just came out and you haven't done anything? Pfizer reports, Lucid reports.
You know, Pfizer ought to be printing out some cash because of this all the GLP-1 stuff.
It should. Let's see, is anybody in the Discord? Let me highlight the Discord. Hey Doc, I see you on the Discord. The latency is gone from YouTube, so we're almost at live, so you should be able to see it. All right, here we go. We're getting that push down. I would love this push down. I want this quick wick and flip.
My long that I'd be looking for, Burke, is actually down a little bit lower.
A little bit lower. Let's see.
A lot of bit lower, I should say. 28.708, 725.
725. Bro, wait, what?
I'm looking at a 4-hour chart.
That's not a little lower. Like, dude, I'm trying to get in at now 42.50. That's like, you're telling me another 200 points down. Hold on.
That's my 4-hour chart, so if you're scalping here, you should be all right.
Y'all let me know if the music is too loud for y'all, but here we go. It's right there. I'm thinking we're gonna get a quick wick and flip right here. And after looking at this, I should go down to 3 contracts and then put 2 more down at the bottom. Here we go. We are in. I should have put 2 more down at the 200 level, but let's see. We're in this. Let's see what it does. Just need this to hold above VWAP and then push. That's all I'm looking for.
You got a Tory trend line there too. Let's see if it holds.
Actually, you know what? I only need like up to the 80s. Yeah, I think it's gonna come and retest this 200. I don't like the way this 15-minute is pushing down. That's pushing down aggressively. That's aggressive. That's very aggressive. I don't like that.
That was very aggressive.
I was looking for the quick wick and flip. But it's Monday. We'll see what the market does. What was Globex open?
What's up, Calvin?
If it breaks down my proprietary blue line, and I'm gonna have to get out this trade with like a $250 loss, which is fine. But this pushed down way too aggressive for my liking right now. Let me go here. Buy.
Got your magic blue line down there too.
Yeah, that's the one that I'm holding on to, like it should hold right there. We are in the
I'll throw my entry right there.
No, we're not delayed by much, Kelvin. Yeah, we're not delayed. I'm just speaking to YouTube, Discord right quick. Yeah, we're not delayed. We're delayed by like a second and a half. That's it. That's normal. So this one didn't get picked up. I'm just gonna hold this here and see. Unless we go down to 200 points that Savage needs for his entry.
That entry is one of my like Century Minis entries.
Yeah, I don't like the way this candle is moving right now.
I do have a 5 lot long sitting at that 918, just above your blue line. I just entered.
Oh, I was.
This is the top
50.
This is a Top Step Project X count. So it doesn't act like the normal quant tower.
I'm gonna have to exit out of this. I don't like this. Is moving aggressively down. And this is moving very aggressive. What the heck? Yesterday, Asia moved slow. Hopefully today we get some 200 to 300 point price action. Yeah, we're about to see that now. You said you entered?
Yeah.
You entered somewhere? You're in something? Let me let my dog out. Y'all already know. I'm gonna have to take this loss here. I'm not gonna let this do into me. I knew I should have traded 3 and then averaged in 2 more down here, but I'm just gonna hold the Savage. What's Toby trend lines are saying today? Why isn't listen on this side? Way down there. I might have to flip. Let me look. I got 12 minutes. See, 12 minutes. I still got 12 minutes for directional market. And that's what's having me hold it. It's the 30-minute 9. Let me see if I can show the 30-minute 9 over here. Yeah, Savage got a much better entry. It almost has me stopping out. I'm down 37 points, 38. Now it becomes a 1-to-1. Still debating. Let me show this 30 minutes.
So I had my mic off apparently.
So this 30-minute right here, we got 11 minutes left on this 30-minute, and this is what I'm still hoping on, this 9 EMA. We haven't touched it in the 30-minute since 10 a.m. this morning. This is the pretty much the first time we kind of touch it, and I'm trying to see if it holds. If it holds, we're gonna reclaim aggressively back to the upside on the 30-minute. That's why I'm still holding this. But you got a much better entry than I did. You should be near.
I'm ready to break even right now.
Okay. See if we can get this back up to
It's
the
using
90.
my blue line as resistance.
Let me take a look.
My entry. The blue line of resistance.
Average into this so hard right now. I want to degen so hard, but I gotta give it time.
There we go. Pump, pump, pump.
Yeah.
I'm playing my green candle song in the background, so if y'all see me popping in the background, that's why.
Which one you playing? Green Candles? Hold on, we can play that one over here. Green Candles, right here. It'll loop in eventually.
Warning, I give you FOMO and hype.
All right, here we go. This is looking better. We're down 200. You're in the green, right? Yeah, you should be in the green.
$25.
Oh, it's better than me. How many contracts you take?
5.
Oh, nice. There we go. So by the time I get to break even, you're gonna be up nicely, sir. Now look at this. This is the 30-minute green EMA 9. It's starting to hold. We got 8 minutes left on this candle. This is looking real good. I moved my TP up to 29,000 area. Let me get actually right below it. I'm gonna go for 56.5 points. See if we can just get this to hold. New song come up.
Team, what do you see ICT looking at here? It's not entering this fair value gap and conversing on us, is it? It's the only thing I'm scared of right here. Pumped up into the fair value gap and hold or pullback. I might reduce my risk here.
Stop loss. It's actually not a bad idea to reduce some risk. Get out like a contract or two and then re-enter it. Let me go. Still waiting for confirmation like IFBG inversion or CISD to enter long.
Yeah.
All right, so
So that would be like right here. See this ring? But theoretically, in order to do that, you gotta swipe some lows. Take a low liquidity, then create your inverse fair value gap for your longs. Yeah, it's gonna stop me out.
reduce some of my risk down a bit, but I'll reduce some. Look at this 15-minute. Yeah, this 15-minute kind of broke down. Look at this.
Look at this.
So the 5-minute. The 5-minute broke under the 9. The 9 got dragged down on the VWAP. Holding this 200, so I reduced my risk by 2 contracts. I'm holding only 3, and I will re-enter with another confirmation, those 2 contracts, which starting to move up. Let me see 20 seconds and I'll know which way I'm going to go. I'm liking this for the push up now. Three seconds. Nope. Doesn't look like it wants to hold. If this candle would have opened up above, I would have averaged in again. If no setup presents 5:45 p.m., might wait for 6 with the volume injections. Yep, I would have to agree with you. I'm gonna just try to manage this, and here we go. I was in market buys. Should have just hit buy market. Instead I did join. Let's see if I can get a little push down and get picked up on 2 more contracts to bring my average down. Pump the market. They don't want to come pick me up. Let's see if we can hold this up. I had minimized my risk.
Yeah, team, I see what you wait for that 9 o'clock volatility or 6 o'clock your time. And just for a minute though, let's hold this out.
So far I've taken a $130 loss by taking off those 2 contracts. Let's see if we can get this push here. I don't know why I'm sitting so bullish.
Because the market pumped all day.
Yeah, that's probably it. ORCL, Oracle, Tesla, Apple. I'm just going through some of the I'm gonna have to see this. I hate this market right now. I see what it needs to do. I know what it needs to do. Here.
You know what's funny but not funny at the same time?
What's that?
Is Top Step on my quant tower loaded a very old ineligible account. So I'm not even trading my right account. So
well, you didn't lose then.
no, I definitely didn't lose. Okay, so beat this and beat the account. I'll just keep that account on there, I guess.
Wonder if you pass it, would they let you?
No.
You don't know.
I guess you have not because you asked not.
That's it.
But I don't feel so bad losing it on this count though.
I think somebody took a short.
Yeah, Nitty, Discord has a phone app. You can jump in anytime. Just don't send 5 minutes from the road. Trust me.
Or do it.
Trust brick. There you go. So
I'm gonna have to get stopped out here and reposition. Yep. I'm taking that L.
Yeah, stop out.
Then 400. Oh, he took the sale. Nice.
Oh, he is driving from the road. Drive it like he stole it.
Down 400 now. Watch it take off here.
Here's a little fair value gap. 14.
Let me go back up to 5 contracts. 400. We'll make that right back. What are you seeing over there? Hold on.
There's a. I don't like this mouse. There's a fair value gap that formed from over here earlier.
Yeah, every $400 loss is nothing. We'll make that right back. What time is it? 8:30. CQG. Been using this CQG broker or desktop, whatever this thing is, and let me tell you, I don't like it. Let me see if I can stream charts.
Is that one of your the new broker?
Yeah, this next gen broker. Oh wait, I got too many tabs open over there that I don't want it to be seen. Let's see. Let me cancel. Wait, cancel. Cancel. CQG. Yeah, I'm gonna show this. This is the new brokerage that I've been testing out with Next Gen Trader, Next Gen Pro Trader. This is their platform, bro, and it's not intuitive at all. Like, you can buy market, sell market, and then one of these is bid and one of these is the ask. Oh, wait, I just seen it. Ask with it finishes in the A and then B. I really don't like this brokerage. I gotta get used to it.
To a small box. It jumps.
Yeah, it's a little, you can buy and sell here, buy and sell here. Market, it's a little weird. As you can see, I got a complete naked chart. Oh, I think this is where you do.
I'll show you how to pull up an account.
It's bedtime. I need my 12 hours. Oh, what's up, Dandy? That's Dandy. Hello, I found your YouTube last night. Was hoping to catch live tonight. Oh, you're on the live. Trade, travel, eat, pray. Trade, travel, eat, pray, and love. All right, yeah. That's what we need to do. We need to. I would change the order on this on your name though. I would say, pray first, travel. Well, no. Pray, love, trade, travel, and eat last. That's what I would do. But yeah, this is really taking a dump.
Hey, Burke, I sent 18 micros on that crime candle up and closing 5 out here.
Oh, look at the push down.
Yeah, it's like, is it long 18?
So you're long 18 or down 18?
Short 18.
Oh, let's go.
So I got 8 left.
Let me change my charts.
There you go. Got 3 left.
That's a nice push down. Would have recovered all of it right there.
I'm looking for 50% of this approachment on this candle.
Oh, what time frame are you on? Your candles look aggressive. That's why.
Here, I'll zoom out a little bit. I zoomed in. I actually close that and set the other one break even. Yeah, so this we entered into this fair value gap and we had a hard candle that pushed up into the base of these. I like to call those crime candles because it sweeps liquidity. And then see it come down, take out the slowdown here. That would be my final TP. 2866.
You should have threw up some smoke signals or something. I know it happened quick. And now my wealth charts is acting up again. Let's see.
Yeah, I haven't even traded that today.
Well, on this push down, I really like the area of 820. Grab another song while this moves. Now we're gonna go for red candles. The wife came in clutch.
Did you bring food?
Oh yeah. Dinner time.
What do you got tonight?
Fettuccine pasta and chicken. Gotta love it. Let me move my mic. Thank you, Father God, for this meal. Bless the ones that's going down my throat right now. I forgot. Yeah, this is really gonna start pushing down aggressively. I'm gonna wait for the 9 o'clock liquidity and see what goes on. Your trade looks really good.
A little bit of longer term play I'd like to see is this come down right off this general area here. So it's 28,847 to 28,851. Looking for a bounce in that general area. So sweep this liquidity here, tap into here, create a fair value gap, then retest and pump back up. That would be ideal.
This is where EMAs start messing with my head, because on the 1 hour we are testing The 9 EMA. Right in here.
Oh wow.
And this is where I really want to take a test trade. It's gonna do it.
Team says 1 hour fair value gap.
What's going on here?
You
Getting all
playing
types of crazy buttons.
See, I'm not hearing a song in the background either. You playing it?
Yeah, let me see.
I don't hear either of those. There it is. Really light.
I was trying to delete something and hit the wrong thing. So I'm in the trade, looking for the long, and I'm gonna move into this a little bit more aggressive. I was trying to delete that image that I had drawn. I'm gonna move into my 5 lots. Got one more pending out there. This can aggressively push down, but it's the 9, so I gotta take it on the 1 hour higher time frame trade. Let me get out of that there. All right, so we're in 5. We're down a few $100 from earlier. And I'm just bullish today. I may be completely wrong, but I'm just so bullish today.
We got 10 points to go to close this trade out.
Let's look at a trade that's in the money. Let's look at Savages.
I'm looking at the 1 hour chart right now.
I don't know why I'm so bullish. Just can't shake it.
We have another basically 20 minutes left on a sour candle. This is nasty candle.
Super nasty candle.
Come on, hit me. I zoom in, will it work?
Yeah, super nasty candle. Wow.
Got so close. There we go.
Yep.
Flat. All right, now we'll look for my long.
There we go. Push, push. Push back up. That's actually a beautiful reaction towards the end of the close. And
Did I bottom tick that brick?
I think you did. I think you did. Oh, bro.
Bro.
I'm
You in the green?
Yeah, that trade is in the green. Just sent you a Discord message. It's on another account. That's the present.
Higher.
There we go. We're in the green. See, how aggressive we can get this to push up. Let's see this aggressive push up now. Let's just see it go. Yo, my man is murdering the keyboard over there.
Here, maybe mute that. Feel like you listen to my trades when I shouldn't be.
Well, now I'm gonna go down to the 5 minute because I see where this 5 minute is coming up. Bro, this 12 charts. Look at this. Doesn't. Yeah, look at the rejection there, close to the 9. Yeah.
I put a 10 lot on it. 847.
847. Yeah. Bro. Savage is so bearish today.
No, I'm going long. I'm gonna see a reject off this level down here. I don't know why I just haven't flipped accounts, but I'm still on that the first one I started trading on.
Time to flip.
All right.
I'm not gonna drink.
Watch the screen go away, keep your hands still. One clean setup, one clean kill. No chasing shadows, no panic buys. Eyes on the plan, let the noise slide by.
And I got the Let's See It Dump song in my ear. What is this? What is this?
That's the red one.
Wait a minute.
It's not pumping through Discord very much, or YouTube very good.
It's not? That's where I hear it.
Really? I don't. Let's see. Turn up the volume on there. I mean, that's why. My volume is light on there. There it goes. I also played at volume 100 in my ear while I'm sitting here in the charts.
No, you're good. All right. Meal is done. Trade is in the grain. Here we go. Let's just see this thing rocket. Let's just see this thing rocket. You know what? One of my 100 points. This will make up for the loss and put me into the green today. Let's go. Push. Push, 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 push. No, it won't go way up there. Even if we get halfway, it'd be great. I'm gonna let this trade play out. I gotta grab something to drink. My wife forgot to bring me a drink. Oh, forgive me.
Don't let her hear you say that. May end up with a cup of water on your head. Hey team, I'm assuming you're waiting for this liquidity come in 10 minutes. We did sweep this low. But I like your long brick.
Staying in there. Let's see. You're hanging in there.
I'm gonna take a long with you right here. Shoot, I actually went in 10 long. I didn't want 10.
Oh, even better.
Huh? Either blow it or has it.
Let's see what that looks like over there, guys.
I'll do that. So I was looking, we created a fair value gap. It's come down to sweep to lows. We busted out all that. We didn't hold below this. So I like the long. I don't know if I'm enough liquidity down.
It is rejecting the 9 on the 5 minute. 30-second, 1 minute CISD. I entered long. Now let me go see what this
Yeah, team.
CISD trade. What does that mean?
You might saw
Change in
that I
state
was just
of
a little bit late. Yeah. So right here, this handle, it's 948. Change the state of delivery.
You figure I would know all of this, right? Being a trader, but I don't know the acronyms. I just read the charts.
There we go.
Here we go. We're pumping now, guys. Look at this. We're pumping. Let's go. Let's just pump. Let's just go. All the way. Don't stop. We got 2 minutes. This 5 minute closure. It breaks above the 9. That would be great. Me confirm that the stop loss. Put in the stop loss near break even. I'll do 1 point stop. There we go. Now we're pumping. Here we go. We're about to make up the loss. What we got to do is break above the 9 and break above the proprietary. And even if we go up towards VWAP, that'll give me my loss back. But I would like to see the 100-point push. Start the week off nicely. This is the way. It's rejecting the 9 right there. I don't like that. I know I move a lot of my charts, guys, but that's the way that I'm always looking at the charts. Trying to make it make sense. It's a quarter of an inch away from proprietary. Here we go. Just push. Just push. There we go. There we go. Just push, 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 push. like this. 29 seconds left. And that's a big rejection. I got my stop right above. We're having a lot of fluctuation on this candle. 5 minutes to the top of the hour. I like this rejection here though. This rejection was too close for comfort. Oh, why can't I just draw? Right here. And it's gonna stop me out. It stopped me out. Stopped me out and right above profits. I didn't like that right there. Let's see. I'm gonna wait these 5 minutes and then go back in with confirmation for the longs. Are you still in that trade, Savage?
Yeah, I'm out. I put my entry back down lower. 28,848.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait these 5 minutes again for confirmation of re-entry. But the way it rejected my proprietary and the 9. So we'll just wait these 4 minutes and see what liquidity brings. How was everybody's weekend? Forgot to ask that.
It was fast.
See, I had the opposite. I did spend, how long was I? I spent about 13, I think it was 13 hours over at the church. They had some events and we had morning service and we had afternoon service. We had welcomed the new members to the church yesterday. So we had a lot going on at the church yesterday. So it put me there for like 15 hours.
Yeah.
Right here.
I mean, that would be a long day.
Yeah.
What do y'all think of the music?
This is all the music from Savage right here. I think we played them all. Let's see. Yeah.
That's all that I sent you.
The Wade is where we win. I haven't played this one. Play that one.
I got the words of wisdom in there. All right, we're waiting here. We got 2 minutes left for this 9 p.m. injection of liquidity. We're gonna see where it goes. Don't forget to like the stream, guys. Help us out. On the way to 500 subs. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Join the free Discord. Link should be in the chat, in the bio. Let's see. No, I changed it. Let me put it in. Let's put it. Put it in the chat. Join the free Discord. A lot of things coming into the Discord as far as teachings and instructions. I'm actually, today, the market was moving so beautiful, but I was so busy this morning with meetings with my brokerages and whatnot that I didn't stream, but I'm thinking of doing like opening streams on there, opening market for those that trade in the 9:30 hour when market opens. Thinking of going on there about 15-20 minutes beforehand, trying to see what we see in the market and starting to trade the ORB in there. I know there's a lot of people that trade throughout the day on the YouTube, so
I won't try to get lost in the algorithm. For those of you in the private Discord, we'll probably start coming on there and just start discussing the market as the market develops in the morning.
Like it.
And gives you guys something extra added to come on and do. That way, I know there's a lot of noise on YouTube, especially in the mornings, but something where we can come in privately and discuss the market. All right, here we go. 9 p.m. liquidity. I like the way that it's holding this area here. It's about to dump. Yep, is losing support. At this point, I really wanted just to come down to 801. If it comes down to 801, I would really love that trade down there. Zone to zone. Here we go.
This is where I'm going to see a long.
Let's go back to your charts. Just been waiting because that first trade threw me off losing that first trade. So
Zoom out.
Oil's having a little push up.
Yeah, I had it 28 to 854 as a entry point. I went below it because this candle wicks around 12 noon today. How it spiked up, created a lot of volume.
Yeah, I think we had PMI this morning. Haven't looked to see what tomorrow's news is going to bring. I know we got those heavy hitter earnings in the afternoon. Let me take a look at. Oh, we got jolts tomorrow morning. Jolts at 10 a.m. Yeah, I know I got a meeting in the morning, so I won't be able to map out the open. I'd like to see this come down to the 810 level. Actually, 815. We get a nice quick flush down there, taking this thing long.
I'm long now. Stop loss set at a $100 loss, so 200 point, 50 points down.
Yeah, I'm gonna start setting my position. Got a position, looking to get into position at 805, 28, 805, 50. Got this push down, jeez. I hope you didn't go too heavy.
No, I just want a contract.
Okay. Yeah, I got a 3 contract order buy down at 28,805. Well, we're getting a lot of volatility on this candle. What time is it? 9:05. And that's on the 15-minute. Here we go, new 5-minute candle. It's not often I don't see my levels work, and it's a little frustrating when they don't. That's a good push.
My other account, I am long 2 contracts from 850.
I'm
I
over
got
that
2.
805.
I got 2 accounts running right now. I have 1 contract on this Lucid and 2 on my Top Step.
I wanted that 805 push.
Still might get it.
Yeah, it's breathing again.
You have good volatility, but feels like it's moving slow. The New York session got me.
These type of market conditions are not good. Cause you to lose people. There you go. It's turning back around for you. They're gonna leave me hanging. God, it's in the middle of a project. Just waiting now.
Silent charts on the screen. Coffee gone cold again. Tokyo lights on the glass. Blue in the window pane. I watch the candles breathe. No rush in my hand. Price keeps walking my way. I don't move first. I've seen the fast ones fold. Seen the loud ones.
Market kind of slowed down now.
Yeah, buddy. There it goes. All right, I like that.
So I was listening to a streamer this morning, very well-known streamer, and he actually doxed somebody that streams at night for him on how much he pays him.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. I was like, wait, what? You pay him that much?
Would be the same streamer that pays bought his other dude a G-Wagon, is it?
No. No. This was some rocket somebody.
SpaceX rocket.
Yeah. He pays the night streamer over 200K. I was like, what?
Bro.
Like, well, I guess he deserves it, right? Because he is a good streamer. I used to watch him.
Yeah, I do it for the fun, but I'll take the 200K.
Bro, for real. We do it for free right here for all of you guys. All we ask for is a like and a subscribe and a share.
Tell your friends, tell your family.
What's your TP on this?
Not much.
Not much.
Like $50. I don't see this being my big push. It might be.
I just want my position to be picked up. Then we can just skyrocket. Yeah, you're gonna get a nice push here.
Right in the Tory trend line.
Nice push. Added more at Asia Open, currently at BE. Come on. Yeah, this is gonna be a nice push. So team is long, Savage is long. I'm waiting to get put in. Story of my life.
The reason why I'm so late is because I don't feel so confident with this. I think we are going to be coming back down for a picture for you. So I just realized something, Rick.
What's up?
So my Top Step account, I am long 10 contracts
Oh, you're long 10 contracts?
on that one account that I just didn't care about. So it's
Ah,
very valid.
there
There
goes
you
the
go.
push. There it goes. There it goes.
So
There it
550
goes.
bucks.
There's the push. Left me behind.
And my Lucid just took profit there.
You're close to passing that one, right?
Yeah, it should be. But I mean, those like $50 trade. I probably need another $1,000 on it.
So just a quick overlook. We're here at the 9. We're here at the 9 on the 5-minute. We got a little bit of room up to like 900 on the 15-minute, which lines up with my proprietary blue line for the 9. So let's watch for the rejection here.
I closed
That's
8 of
just
those. I closed 8 of those 10 contracts out on that Top Step, and put the other ones to break even.
There's the clean rejection off the 9. Beautiful rejection, actually. I would have been, that's a kaboosh. That's 20 points.
Right off the Tory trend line.
Right off the Tory trend line, the 9 EMA, that was the kaboosh. Still got my position open down there. Need a bottle of water. I left that. Needed a bottle of water. Let's watch Savage kill the trade.
See a bigger caboose here.
Silent charts on the screen. Coffee gone cold again. Tokyo lights on the glass. Blue in the window pane.
Come on, let's do something, market. Flush down, get me, or go get Savage TP.
Price keeps walking my way. I don't move first.
I'm all flat.
Oh, Savage is flat.
Yes, I'm just waiting. Let's see a big go caboose here.
Do we got 2 people on stream that haven't subscribed? Would love to see us hit at least 50 subscribers tonight. Let's see here. Do we have 2 people that haven't subscribed? Can you please subscribe? All right, so if we break out, this is, I really want to get aggressive with this to push up. Still down just a couple of $100 from the night. So we'd love to see this aggressively push up. If we see this aggressively push up, let me see. If we see this push up here above the 880, come back and retest the 880, I'm taking that long. And I'm taking it strong. What's up, Nitty? Nitty just joined the the Discord. Here we go. We're getting that push. Getting that push. I need to see a break and retest. Y'all already know. Another tools here. Yeah. $20 up. Good job. Good job. Here we go.
Your team.
This is exactly, it's developing right now what I want to see. Oh, I really now I want to chase this. I want to chase this. I want to chase this. Oh man. Savage, talk about the trade he just gave up. Which is actually great. The long, or did you?
There's still 2 contracts long on that one from the 847.
Okay. I need this candle to stay above here and then close, retest. And I'm buying it with all my heart. Close that bottom one. 880. I'll buy that 880. Guys, can we get 2 more subscribes? Help us out. 2 more subscribers. Sign in with your wife account. Give me this the subscribe. Yeah, if it doesn't close above here, I won't take the trade. But it needs to close above my 880. Come back, retest it, and that's when I'm taking the trade up. Remember, manage your accounts, manage your risk. Team has got a beautiful trade. I would love to see. Yeah, there goes the push.
T, what was your entry?
I know team said earlier that they averaged down or averaged in. Two more minutes. 2 more minutes. Yeah, now I'm moving my trade into position. Now I want the retest. And I'm taking that straight to the moon. Didn't hit my 805. This is, you got room to at least 920, which is another 30 points, team. Which would be the VWAP area here.
I'm looking to close one of my 2 out at the 909. Then the other one, I'm just gonna put it at the highs.
That's what I'm looking for. 28,878. I actually like that. Oh, so they're right where I'm trying to get right back in. I don't like if it's gonna flush. Wait. Oh boy. If it's gonna flush now before the close, I don't want it. It's gotta close above. It's gotta close above this area. Then come down and retest. That would actually put me in right there, that little wiggle. But I gotta stick to my rules and wait. Wait for the close.
878. So you got a little above me.
15 seconds. Now I want the wick down. Now I want the wick down. There we go. Got the wick. Got the wick. Now just push. What is this? Just push. And of course, the volume dies out. Oh boy. Market just doesn't like me tonight.
You're right there. Yeah, bounce right here. 880 bounce.
Yep. I was looking. I need to see at least up to 920. Bro. Oh. I was looking for the retest of the 9, to claim the 9. It broke above the 9, closed above the 9. Like, there we go. This is the trust me, bro trade.
Yeah.
Gotta trust me, bro. Yeah. Structurally would be 50 points. It's just pump now. There we go. That's it. Fingers crossed, looking 95 points up from here. Okay, team. I like the way you're thinking. Let's go. Let's go up. Once we break this area here, the 900, I'll move up my stop loss. But we got to break 900.
Okay, broadcast.
All right, I'm liking this push. Really liking this push. Let's go. Trade and travel, eat and pray, love is in. Praise Jesus is right. That's a beautiful push. Come on. There we go. I'm gonna put a 5-point stop loss. Just because it's hitting my proprietary, we got to see that thing just push through there. You versus you. Come on, push. It's a W. That's a W trade. Come on, can we get 2 more subscribers? Just hit subscribe real quick for me, guys. That's a W trade right there. Oh, Lord. Moving up my stop. 15 points. We caught it, guys. That's it. We're in the green right now from the loss earlier. We're in the green. I had to sit up. I knew I was long biased. Who else? Who else is in this? Anybody else in this? Anybody else? All right, Doc, I'm sending you my Cash App, Doc.
I was in a Bert.
Let's go. I'm sending you my Cash App, Doc. Let's go. Why you ain't saying nothing so I can go over there and... Oh, wait. You are in some stuff over there, sir. Look at this push. Come on.
You'll see this one. This one looks a little better.
Oh, look at that. This was good. I was a little disappointed tonight. I ain't even gonna play with y'all. All right, I moved up my stop to 20 points. Moved up my stop to 20 points. You know what? I'm moving my TP all the way up to. Guys, come on. We seen this. We knew what the charts had to do. That's why you gotta risk manage, right? Because if anything happens, you're able to save your account, come back, and just make it back. And now my dog wants to go out. Let me go.
I gotta refresh my account somehow because they're not reflecting properly.
Great. Trade, travel, eat, pray, love. This is the first time I see this name on stream. Is this your first time here? This your first time with us? We're gonna be green by sunrise.
Love it.
Oh, perfect. That's awesome, man. Glad you're here. Welcome. Found the channel yesterday. That's amazing. Glad you're here. I love your name, though. Do love your name. Where's everybody at in the chat? Where y'all from? Where y'all from? I'm here in Florida. Savage is up in the Carolinas. Where's everybody from?
Low country.
I'm in Central Florida. It is hot out here. I got my stop at 21. Vancouver, Canada. Okay.
Oh, nice.
Portland, Oregon.
Touching the world.
Here we go. There's the push. Let's just keep pushing. I'm in Florida visiting my mom, but from New Jersey. Okay. I'm originally from Newark. Newark, New Jersey. I've been living here in Florida, little town, or not so little anymore, little town called Lakeland. I don't know what part of Florida you're visiting, but I'm originally from Newark. Bro, look at this push, guys. Come on. Come on. Somebody come look at this. Somebody come look at this. One of my favorite audio clips.
Freaking Mustang snagged the bottom again.
No, you snagged the bottom. I was just early on my first entry. This is amazing. Oh snap, you're in East Orange. Okay. Yeah, I lived in Jersey, man, all my life. And oh, she's in Ocala. Okay, Ocala's very nice. Ocala's developing, growing a lot.
You got family down in Ocala?
Oh, look at this push.
A lot of horse
Come
farms
on.
down there.
Who took this?
Beautiful.
Who's still in this trade? Guys, this ends us in the green right here, right now. We're in the green. See, right there, 40-point stop. 40-point stop. Really, team? Come on, look. Newark is famous. Jersey is famous right now. Look at this pump. I got a 40-point stop. If it gets me out, I'm in the green. If it keeps going, I'm just going to keep trailing my stop up. We're just going to keep going. First trade, this is why you don't give up. First trade was a L. You reassess, you re-get back in, and you make your money back. Actually, there's somebody here in the chat. I don't know if they're still in the YouTube chat, but Blue Nitty, he's still out in Newark. I think it's gonna come stop me out right here, guys. Yep, stopped out at 40 points. Up a little bit for the day, just small green, but that was great. Great trade. It makes it a green day and not a red day. But Blue Nitty, I know, is still out there in Jersey and Newark. Savage, you still in trades?
Yeah.
Yes, he is.
I'm gonna hold it for 100 points.
There you go.
Which is right at the base of here.
Stay long in the game. That's it. Ah, I like that for a song. I like that for a song. Let's see. I've been bullish today. I know, had a little fluctuation. Took us out, but you wait for the right levels. And while Savage snagged the bottom, I snagged the break and retest of the level that I was looking at off the 9, right? Because once it broke the 9 and held above, came back, retested it, that was my long. Let's create a song called Stay Long in the Game.
Hey, Brick, I'll create one too. Let's see what a song contest.
Yeah, your prompting is a lot better than mine though. Man, what a turnaround today. Beautiful turnaround. Let's see. Let's go to Suno. Oh, Suno. How do they even make money? That's what I don't understand.
The pro version.
Yeah, that's true. That is true. Guys, can we get 2 subscribes? Somebody call your cousin. Somebody call your cousin and tell him to subscribe. Thank you, bro, for streaming in the evenings. Not a lot of faith-based streamers for the PM sessions. This is true. And even during the day session, right? It's very limited amounts. And I'm just new to this OBS. There's gonna be a lot more coming. I do want to put like banners, you know, quoting scriptures and whatnot. And I do want to have like a scripture opening session and whatnot. I'm just trying to learn all of this as I go. So I appreciate that. I appreciate those words because it is needed, right? There's so much negativity out in the world, so much world in the world, right? We got to spread a little bit of light and spread a little bit of faith and truth to those around us. Oh my God, the retest. Wow, look at this. Look at this. The retest of the proprietary. I would have been another great scalp. Feel free to join the Discord.
Killed it.
Where's somewhere? I'm gonna post the link again in the chat. Feel free to join the Discord. There's gonna be a lot more coming to the Discord. A lot more. You got a good group of guys there. Look at that push.
I like the beat so far to the song.
Oh, I haven't even listened to my song. Look at this push. I'm just looking at this push right now.
Almost 100 points. 10 more to go.
Let me go right back to yours. Yeah, see, I kind of chased it. Hold on. Chased my stop way too close. But that's a beautiful. If anybody else is in there, if anybody else is still in there doing it.
Bro. This song's fire. Hold on. Here's where they try to get you. It's gonna try and download, and it says you need to go to Premiere. $4 a month.
Tokyo glowing low, while the whole block sleeps. Coffee in the cup, and the screens go deep.
There you go, Burke. I just sent you a link to it.
I'm patient with the plan. I don't chase the prize.
Come on.
I just wait for the
17 more points.
key level in sight. I let it
See this song that Savage created over here.
Hit me.
hold firm. I don't force the well. Waiting for
Bro, does it let me download it from here?
Inspired by Team.
Download the song. It's not letting me download it.
Yeah, it's not letting me download this one either.
Did it finish? Did it finish down?
Look.
All the way?
Oh yeah,
Huh?
I can. Yeah, I can now.
Yeah. Sometimes unless it's finished, it won't do it.
There you go.
Bro, the pump. There it goes. Let me download it.
Come on, 5 more points.
Bro, look at the pump. We knew what they had to do, guys. We knew this. We knew this.
I'll even break this down. There it goes, 100 points.
Come on. Big W's. Big W's.
All right. So you have my screen up, Burke?
Oh yeah, I should have stayed in the trade. Big W.
What I was looking at here on this is from earlier today, around 12 noon. This square block of volume. I shrink it down. This is, you see a lot of what's called manipulation, distribution, consolidation, manipulation, distribution, power 3. So all of this volume was a lot of consolidated volume, and there's a lot of people come in here. So that's where I took my entry rate on top look at this, knowing that it could fluctuate in this range here somewhat. And a lot of times you'll see that, and I can show you on even a smaller time frame how we pushed above and we came down right off this way here and bounced up. So that's what I was looking at on a larger time frame. This has more energy to push up. That's what I look at. It's 100 points up.
It's an amazing, amazing trade. This is what I love about trading, right? When you risk manage your trades appropriately, I took a losing trade right from the jump. But you sit patiently and you know what the market is going to do. But what tends to happen is, even if you know what the market is going to do, the market is going to do whatever it wants to do first. And then it's going to do what you know it's got to do. So it did what it wanted to do first. We recapitalized and got back in and made back all the money and then some. Like, it's just wow.
TTEP. You're just saying that the name out. Don't have the FOMO of you got out too early. You made your money. Stop, refresh, look at the charts again. Wait for either a retracement back to go long or look for a short.
Yeah, trade. I should have stayed in longer too. You saw where I had my TP. My TP was way up here. And I just chased it in 40 points, right? I just chased it to 40 points. I wasn't looking at the structure. If I would have looked at the structure, it should have been like at 32 points because it should have been under my proprietary blue line. And it would have came, tested my line. Like, guys, I get it. I know I'm not saying that this is the holy grail of trading, but you guys hear me talk often about my line, right? This line right here, this blue line, it broke, retested it, opened above it, and then boom, took off. So even if you would have missed this trade down here, when we took the break of the 9, you take the break and test of the proprietary blue line, that's the magic blue line, and boom, now look how bullish this is looking. Because when you're looking at the market and the structure overall, now you're looking at the 9 broke the proprietary. It's literally breaking VWAP right now. This can potentially keep going up all night. This can potentially keep going up all night. TTAP, or TAP, is the short name for some usernames. But this can literally potentially, like, this was an amazing trade.
And Bert, if you can flip on my chart too. The other thing I was talking about earlier, if you want to rewind and what I was looking for, was this liquidity low that was here. I said we wanted to see a hard sweep down. And I think team can validate some of this too. But see the hard dip down, create a fair value gap and re-enter on the fair value gap. So we zoom way in so you can see this. This is a 5-minute chart. we created a little fair liquidity gap in here, which is these three handles on the high here to the slow. And you re-enter into that, and you would have virtually zero drawdown and the push up. And I do believe that's right where Team's entry was. He was at 78, so he was right in this, right there. That's what we talked about earlier in the stream.
So amazing. Everybody looks at the market differently, but when you all come into the one, like I love trading with Savage. You'll hear me time and time again because he sees the market one way, I see it a different way. But when we both come into confluence on what we're seeing, we already know we're gonna take each other's trade per se, right? Because we're both seeing the same thing. And if you're in confluence, and then Team came on here, spoke about the CSID, the change in the state of delivery of the market, he was long. Then he said, I averaged in. I'm looking at this and I'm like, okay, I've been watching Team for the last couple of weeks now. He knows what he's talking about. That's another confluence to what we do here at night, right? And that just, look, NQ is about to make a new high for the night right there. Look at that new high push. Team had a 100-point trade. Savage has a 100-point trade. From my entry, boom. Oh, Lord. I said 29,000. There it is. There it is.
And I almost had a rookie mistake. I had an order sitting on my Lucid, and it filled. I flattened it.
I made a rookie mistake and got out. I knew 29,000 was it. If you rewind the stream back to the beginning, that was my first TP was 29,000. Nah.
You weren't wrong. You were just early.
I was early. Look at that. Look at that push. I knew to be bullish the whole night. Guys, last week, I had this conversation with somebody yesterday. Last week, and I think I said it on last week's stream, was the beginning of how people make generational wealth. That was the dip. You have enough money to buy all of these chips that were red. That was the generational wealth switch right there. You just got to stay ahead of the market, be able to see it. Like, this is ripping. This is what you call booling. My God, bro. Got nothing else to say after this night's trading, bro.
Let's see that.
I left so much on the table. I can tell you that much.
Where'd you post it, Team?
I shared my trade on Discord.
Trade
Take a look.
ideas.
Let's
Yes,
see.
we will.
Team this side. Oh, right there. Oh, nice.
Oh, beautiful.
Nice position. Let's go. Bro, look at this trade. Look at
Team, that
this.
was basically what I just drew out, on your own screen and everything. It's perfect.
So awesome. What a
Yep,
move is right.
Now's the time to walk away.
Yep. Yep. It's I'm getting so much FOMO right now. I'm like, why did I chase that so tightly? Why did I chase that so tightly? I was out at 40 points. Let's see, what was my exit? What was my exit? I don't even know. Trades. My exit was 960.
This is up another 100 points from where I got out.
Yeah, I was out at 960, so 80 points from there. Like, crazy. I just FOMO, but it was a quick scalp. Don't FOMO into the trade. Let it breathe. Let it do whatever it wants. Don't give anything back. Tonight was a phenomenal night, guys. Don't give anything back. There's I'm glad that this actually happened. Hold on. Let me because we at times have to make sure that we remain disciplined, right? I'm putting actually something together, a small teaching of a few verses that I had a conversation with somebody. This is going to be a little bit of a teaching rant, right? I had a conversation with somebody and they were wondering what do I do, and I was telling them what I'm doing and what I'm getting into. Like, I've been trading for 6 years, and I was telling them that I was getting into trading the futures and showing people how to trade futures, and they immediately said, why are you doing that? That's not biblical, right? You're chasing and you're trying to get rich quick or whatever. And I told them, I'm not here to get rich quick. I'm here to just support my family and do a generational wealth transfer. So I'm putting together a small devotional that would help us remain focused. As long as it's not the love of money, we all need money. And you're just going to trade, right? And I love 1 Timothy 6:6-10, where we have to be content with the gains that we make and not chase the next move. The minute we start chasing the next move, that's when things start going bad. We come in, we snipe the markets, we get out, we keep it moving, right? And that remains our heart posture remains correctly before the Lord. So that's just, we're going to be putting something together for everybody and putting it on the Discord for those who want to read it. But don't chase the move. Don't FOMO. I got to tell myself that all the time. Don't FOMO. Well, that was my little rant to end the stream. It was a great night. Savage, give us some words of wisdom.
You know, I heard somebody the other day, they said, you're born looking like your parents and you die looking like your decisions.
Ooh.
And so
Bro.
if you wouldn't even dive into the trading thing, is when you start trading like the people you watch, but you finish the way you evolve.
Oh, that is so good. You're born looking like your parents, but
You die like your decisions.
like your decisions. My God. Which brings it into a better question, right? What are you going to decide today? Yo, Savage always throwing bars. That's why this is the Savage words of wisdom. We just came up with that live on stream one day and it just stayed. So, but man, that was good. But guys, listen, I know we've been on here for 2 hours. It was a great night. It was well worth the 2 hours, even though some of us cut ourselves short. But the objective was to stay green, start green to the week. It gives you a good momentum, right? There's nothing like starting red for the week. It kind of throws you off mentally and emotionally, no matter how hard we try to fight it off. But know that we trade, we remain disciplined. And that's exactly what you saw tonight, right? It was off. We remained disciplined. We got back in the game, didn't let the loss hurt us. I even said it when I took the loss. That's nothing. We're going to make it back. And I was actually expecting to make it back tomorrow because I was not going to go short this market, knowing that it's got to go long. So, but we did it. It worked out. Savage did some amazing call outs, amazing snipes from the bottom. His new computer makes him see the charts a lot clearer. Right?
We take it to ultra curve.
That's it. Now he need is it the big 65-inch monitor that you got now on your
I would need to get a bigger desk for that.
Yeah, he got a new aimbot for real. Yes, I do have to remind myself not to FOMO. Yeah, don't FOMO. You got to remember this. If you miss this current trade right now, like I missed a big portion of it, it's going to happen again tomorrow. And if it doesn't tomorrow, the next day, that's always going to be, we got 23 hours a day to trade this market. But that's all we got for tonight, guys. Thank you for sticking in. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. This is a growing channel, and as you can see, every single night we've been consistent, except for one night, hitting minimum 100-point trades. We've had nothing but W's on the streams, nothing but great entries. We don't chase the market. We let the market come to us. And that's it. Savage, you got anything?
No, that's it, man.
That's it, man. We appreciate you guys coming on with us. We love you guys for that. Thank you for the support. We look forward to building a strong community here. Feel free to join the Discord. I'm gonna put the Discord one more time in the chat. Feel free to come join us. There'll be a lot more to do on the Discord coming soon. And yeah, we'll see you guys. Same channel. Tomorrow we'll have Savage streaming. Later.
Yeah. Late night. Edge of session. Screens glow soft, Tokyo awake. Coffee on the desk, charts don't shake. I wait my turn, I know the zones. Hands stay calm, he guides my goals. Patience in the dark, I don't chase the move. I trust the plan and let it prove. If it's not my setup, I let it go. Slow money wins.